Okay, so today we'll look into sets. You missed 2, 3 sessions, right? Yeah, so are you fine now? Or I have recordings are uploaded. No, it's uploaded. You can refer, right? Uh, recordings are there. I'll share the link. Okay, what you need to do is just go through the recording. Any doubts, let me know. Will I'll help you out with some backup session. Okay, so basically we have covered the data types: string, list, tuple, dictionary. So it's not that tough. If we were going very slow, so that's fine. Till now it's fine, but after today, from tomorrow onwards, we'll start with logic building. Tomorrow or day after, right? So that is from where your actual Python starts. Data types, you just go through the classes and know what are the feature available. If you know that, that's fine. But from your concept starts from for loop, while loop, which we have not started till now. Today we'll discuss about sets. Okay. So what are sets? Sets are again collection of objects. But object means it can contain a number or string. We cannot create a set with containing a list. You cannot have a set of list. Okay, it can contain only numbers and string. Sets are denoted by flower brackets. Okay, and numbers. In dictionary, what happens? We create the flower. We mention with the flower brackets. Along with the number, we also pass the key colon value. Okay, but in case of set, it is only values. Okay, it's mutable. Sets are mutable. Okay. Now, did you notice something here? While creating the set, I've given some random numbers, right? Also, there were some duplicate values. But when the set got created, the duplicate value is not there, and it is also not maintaining the order in which we are passing the data. Order is not maintained, right? So it is sets are, it contains unique value, and it is unordered collection. Right? It is unordered collection. That means it does not maintain the order in which we pass the data. It always stores the data in the ascending order. Okay, we are passing 10, 34, 12, but when we are saving it, it is actually going as 1, 2, 10, 12. Right? Since it does not maintain the order, indexing is not supported. Okay, indexing is not supported because we do not know which data is present in index 0, right? So we cannot do the indexing. We cannot fetch. I cannot do s of 0. It is not supported. Right? Now, what is the use of set? We cannot do in, we cannot fetch the data, we cannot store duplicate values, we cannot store the data in the order, right? So sets are used only for comparison. You can compare one collection with another collection. Okay. Now let me create a set. As dot union of S1. The first is union. What does union do? Union takes all the unique data of both the collection and then merge it. Okay. So in the first set I have 1, 2, 3, 4. In second I have 3, 4, 5, 6. Union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Shortcut for union is pipe operator. This is a shortcut for union. Okay. We have intersection. Intersection will always give you the common data between both the collection. Right. So here we have 3 and 4 are the common data. Right. Shortcut for this is ampersand operator. Right. We also have something called difference. Difference will give me the unique value of the first collection. So what is the unique in the first collection? 1 and 2. Okay. Shortcut is minus. Okay. What will be the value when I do S1 minus S? Unique value of S1. What is the unique value in S1? Hmm? What is the unique value in S1? 3 and 4 are the common value, right? Between S and S1. 5 and 6, right? So this will give me 5 and 6. Okay. Then we have something called symmetric difference. Symmetric difference will remove the unique data, common data, right? And whatever remains, that is the output. That means unique values of both the collection. So 1 to 5, 6. This is a shortcut, caret operator. Right? So these are the four ways of comparing intersection, union, symmetric difference, and difference. We can also add more items to the collection using the add function. Since sets are mutable, that means it can be changed, right? So it supports addition function, right? If you want to add multiple data, instead of adding one data, if you want to add multiple data, then there is something called update, where you pass the collection of data and that will get updated to the set. Okay. We have pop, where you pass the when you call the pop, it deletes the first item of the collection. Okay. We also have remove. In remove, you have to pass the value that you want to remove, and that value will be removed from the collection. Okay. There's something called discard. Discard also you pass the data and that data will be removed. Okay. What is the difference between remove and discard? If I want to remove the data which is not at all there, let's say 1000, remove gives me error, exception, key error. When I do the same thing with discard, discard does not give me any error. Okay. So when the data is not present, when that key is not present, then remove function gives error, whereas discard does not give error. Okay. Then there are some methods called is superset, is subset, is disjoint. These are the Boolean operations. This will give me true or false. Superset means when all the data of the second set is included in the first set. Then the first set is a superset of the second, right? And if vice versa, then it is a subset of the first set. Right? So subset means everything of that collection is present in the another collection. All the data. Disjoint means nothing is common. If there's nothing is common, then it is a disjoint. So my first set contains 1, 2, second set contains 3, 4. So both are disjoint. But my first set contains 1, 2, 3, 4. The second contains 1, 2. Then first one is the superset of second, and second is the subset of first. There's something called difference update, symmetric difference update, and intersection update. Right? What does the update operation do? Ideally, when we have created a set, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, when I do s dot intersection of s1, I get the result. But that is not changing s and s1, right? That means we get the result. Now it is up to us whether we want to store into s2 or s. Wherever we want to store, we can overwrite explicitly. There's something called intersection update. What does this function do? This function does the intersection and update the value to the calling set. That means S will be updated with the result. Okay. So similarly, we have difference update and symmetric difference update. That means the result of this operation will be updated back to the calling set, the set with which you are calling. If you don't want to update, then you can go with this normal operation. There it gives you the result and then explicitly you have to update. Okay. Then we have clear, which will clear all everything, make the list empty. List becomes empty. What is the difference between clear and delete? Clear function will just remove the data. Set will always be there, right? Delete function removes the set from the memory. Okay, clear. There's something called frozen set. Frozen set does not have any shortcuts, no brackets. So to create a frozen set, we have to go with the actual way. What is the actual way? Object name equal to class name. Okay, so this is the way to create the frozen set. Frozen sets are immutable. That means if you look at the frozen set, you'll not see any method which represents mutable operation. Add, update, pop, remove, intersection update, difference update, and symmetric difference update. All these methods are not there with frozen set. So frozen sets are unique collection which stores unique data which cannot be changed, read-only data. Clear? This huge difference. Class, we don't write class like this. This is not the way of writing the class. Inside class, you write the function. And so this is not the way of creating the class. You have to create the class and then inside the class you have to define properties and methods. Function and properties. Okay. Function is single. Collection of function can be inside a class. Okay, we'll see that when we go to OOPS concept. Okay. Okay. Understood about the sets. So this completes the data types part. Data types, right? We have string, list, tuple, dictionary, set, frozen set, right? List, dictionary, and sets are mutable. String, tuple, and frozen sets are immutable, right? List and tuple both are collection of objects. Even dictionary is a collection of object, but set is a collection of numbers or string. Set stores unique data and it does not support indexing. List stores duplicate data and it supports indexing. Even tuple supports indexing. Difference between list and tuple is mutable, immutable. Difference between set and list is sets are unique, unordered collection, right? Whereas lists are index based and it is ordered collection, right? When do we use a frozen set? When you have the requirement, that's a month of the year. A month of the year is never going to change, right? And these are unique. Days of the week, these are unique, never going to change. So this can be part of a set. Okay, clear? Fine. So this completes the data type part. Okay. Any doubts? The only thing that we have to understand is that everything in Python is a class. We can create the class with the help of object name equal to class name. Your class name can be whatever you are passing, dictionary or str string or list. So this is how we create the object of the class. The one which we do is are the shortcuts. These are the actual way, right? Object name equal to class name. Everything in Python is a class and object, right? Everything in Python is a class and object. Clear? Fine. So we'll stop here for today. We've completed the data type part. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start with logic building. Okay.